everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys everything that had happened all throughout May to June. I've also inserted a few clips that I took on that particular days and also a final flip through of my half completed Travelers Notebook. So I guess with all that said, let's get started. May for me was very healing in a way. I was focusing more onto my mental health, and I was slowly recovering from the nervous breakdown that I had the previous month. I shared a lot about that, or a few things about that, on how I deal with my anxiety in a previous video. So if you are curious or are interested in that, I'll link it in the card so you could watch it right after this video. So for that month, I avoided stressful activities, I lessened my use of social media, and I focused more on the things that will help me accomplish my goals. I didn't stress myself into finishing any of them, but I did my best to accomplish as much as I can without stressing myself. So yeah, overall I have to say it was a better month, and I enjoyed looking back on the different activities or events that I took part on. So on the first day of May, we were able to get our second dose of vaccine. I highly encourage everyone to get vaccinated when you can. It's very assuring and it decreases your chances in getting infected. So right after getting vaccinated, we headed to QC Circle to buy a few more plants for my growing jungle at home. It's just something about plants and having to see them every morning. It's just very healing and very refreshing, especially right after you water them, and the smell of the soil is just very refreshing for my opinion. So I really like to fill our house with lots of different kinds of plants. So yeah, we purchased our plants at QC Circle because it's much cheaper there, I guess. So right after we got our plants, we went straight to Bertie's Mall to have a quick lunch, specifically at Catherine's Cafe. The food there was a little expensive, but it tastes really good. I ordered the baked salmon with mashed potato on the side. So for Mother's Day, we celebrated at my uncle's pizza parlor right after the kitchen closed. I've mentioned them here before. It's called Firehouse Pizza. I'll leave their details in the description box below if you guys are interested. But after that, the weekend after that, we drove to Bulacan to check out a newly opened resort of my other uncle. It wasn't completely done when we visited, but now they're open for reservation. So I'll also leave the details for that down below. The place was very serene, peaceful, great for family and friends. Definitely a provincial experience. The sunset there was very gorgeous, and we just had so much fun. I was going to vlog or post a vlog about it, but I had way too much fun. So yeah, enjoy this little clip that I filmed when we were there. steered clear of social media, I still manage to stay connected with my friends just to check on each other and all that, because you'll never really know how that person is doing if you don't check up on them. Simple kamusta or how are you will go a really long way. So message your friends, a relative, or anyone. Doesn't really matter. Just let them know or make them feel that someone is thinking about them. On May 27th was the premiere of the Friends reunion. It was also a great excuse for me to finally start the shop that I've been teasing you guys about.
The test is ready. Rachel wrote Ross a letter and demanded he read it before they got back together. How many pages was that letter?
18 pages!
The Friends series is the TV show that helped me come out from this nutshell that I was living in. I don't know how, but it definitely made me less of a timid person. It made me understand the people around me. It pushed me to live life and to just stop being this shy little girl who has no opinion on anything and is just waiting for everyone. I never took responsibility on anything. I was just this shy little girl. So yeah, I'm really thankful for this TV show. It definitely had a big impact on me and it's still pushing me up to this day because they were a great excuse for me to release my first sticker collection, which is still available on my shop, by the way. If you guys are interested, all the links are in the description box below. But yeah, it never fails to put a smile on my face, even if I've watched it over 1,000,000 times now. So yeah, I really am thankful for this Friends reunion, and I almost definitely teared up when it was about to end. So yeah, the sticker sheets are still available on my Shopee account. It's unaluisa.creates. I'm also opening my shop on my Instagram account, which is unaluisa_creates. It's the same one as my Una's Corner, but I just changed the name because I'm just reinventing myself to Una Luisa. So yeah, I hope you guys can check that out and let me know if you guys ordered or whatever. Anyways, that's pretty much it for my May. June continued to be a very healing month as well, especially with the short adventure that we took at Tanay Rizal. I posted a vlog on this, which I'll be linking in the cards above, but this was the most memorable part of that month, being able to go away from the hustle and bustle of the busy city life is always something to be thankful for, even if it was just a short while. Horno is this small shop that one of my best friends opened. I am very proud of her. The pastries that she makes are very delicious. I definitely recommend the calamansi cupcakes and the banana loaf. with cinnamon. So yeah, if you have the chance, please do try that out. They're very delicious and very tasty. So the next weekend after that, or the next few weeks after that, we was spent with family, especially with Yasha. She spent a whole week with us, and yeah, it's just very memorable because I get to experience this with her, or life with her, and I get to put a smile on her face from time to time. So it's very memorable growing up, or seeing her grow up. So yeah, it always put a smile on my face every time that she's here. That's pretty much it for my May to June. Now here is the final flip through of my whole mid-year for from January to June. So this is just a quick one. I didn't do a flat lay view of this because I wrote a few personal things on here, obviously because it is my journal. So yeah, so I'm just giving you guys a quick preview on everything. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you guys are very happy right now. And yeah, I'll see you guys again next time. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye guys.